Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Dogecoin from Gemini to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your Dogecoin holdings smoothly between exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but staying updated with 2025's potential interface changes is key for security and efficiency. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Gemini and Binance, and that your Dogecoin is safely stored in your Gemini wallet. Start by logging into your Gemini account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select Dogecoin from your asset list. Here, you'll find the withdrawal option. Click on that to begin. Next, head over to your Binance account. Go to your wallet, find Dogecoin, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial, so double-check that you're using the correct network, like the Dogecoin network, to avoid any lost funds. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent common mistakes in crypto transfers. Now, back on Gemini, paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits. Gemini might have a small fee, so keep that in mind. Review all the details carefully, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. Once the transaction is processed, which could take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion, check your Binance wallet to ensure your Dogecoin has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set to trade or hold on Binance. Remember, the crypto world is always evolving, especially by 2025, so double-check exchange policies for any updates. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital portfolio together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.